Hey everyone, it's Bella Monroe, and welcome back to Zen Sage Mind. Today, we're diving deep into the art of attraction. We're uncovering 5 powerful contempts, and I'm using that word very intentionally, that can ignite a woman's desire and make her chase after you. Now, before you hit the comments section, understand this. These aren't about being disrespectful or manipulative. These contempts are about confidence, boundaries, and a touch of playful mystery. They're about shifting the dynamic from chasing after her to her chasing after you. Before we start, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to Zen Sage Mind. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let's get started. The first step is all about shifting your focus. See, most guys, they laser in on a woman, trying to cater to her every need, hoping she'll finally notice them. They think that by being overly attentive and accommodating, they'll win her over. But here's the thing. Women are drawn to men who are focused on their own purpose, their own passions, men who are deeply engaged in what they love, whether it's their career, hobbies, or personal growth. Men who exude an aura of self-assurance and ambition. This kind of confidence is magnetic and irresistible. So, what's the key? It's a healthy disregard for constantly seeking her validation. It's about not needing her approval to feel good about yourself. It's about investing in yourself, your goals, your well-being. When you prioritize your own growth and happiness, you naturally become more attractive. When you're confident and fulfilled in your own life, you become a magnet. People are drawn to those who are genuinely happy and content. You radiate an irresistible energy that draws people in, including that special someone you've got your eye on. Stop chasing. Start becoming. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Become the best version of yourself, and watch how quickly the tables turn. Success and confidence are incredibly attractive qualities. This isn't about ignoring her completely. It's about finding a balance. It's about finding that balance between pursuing your passions and making time for her. Show her that you can be both ambitious and attentive. Show her that you have a life you're excited about, and she'll be eager to become a part of it. When she sees your enthusiasm and passion, she'll want to share in it. Remember, confidence is the key that unlocks attraction. It's the foundation of a magnetic personality. Let's talk about nostalgia, that warm, fuzzy feeling of longing for a special time. It's that sensation that takes you back to moments that felt perfect, even if just for a fleeting second. See, most guys, they try to create memories, dinners, movies, the usual. They think that by doing the standard date night, they're building something lasting. But memories fade. What you want are moments, experiences that are so unique, so emotionally charged, that they become etched in her mind. These are the moments that stand out, that she will recall vividly even years later. This is your second contempt, a disregard for the mundane. It's easy to fall into the trap of routine, but routine is the enemy of excitement. Take her on adventures, introduce her to new experiences, make her laugh until her sides hurt. These are the things that will make her feel alive, that will make her associate you with joy and excitement. The goal is to create a shared history that's vibrant, exciting, and uniquely yours. It's about building a tapestry of experiences that are rich and varied. When she looks back, you want her to remember the thrill, the laughter, the sheer joy of being with you. You want her to think of you as the person who brought color into her life. Think outside the box. Maybe it's a spontaneous road trip where the destination is unknown and the journey is the adventure. A weekend camping under the stars where the two of you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with each other, or even just trying a new restaurant with an eccentric menu. It's about breaking the routine and doing something unexpected. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, but the feeling you evoke. It's the thoughtfulness and creativity that count. Make her feel alive, make her feel seen, and she'll crave that feeling, and you, long after the moment has passed. It's about creating a connection that goes beyond the ordinary, one that she will cherish forever. Now, this next concept is crucial, but often misunderstood. It's about being a challenge, not a pushover. It's about striking a balance between being available and maintaining your own space. See, when you're constantly available, always agreeing, always chasing, you diminish your value. You become too predictable, and predictability can lead to boredom. You become predictable, and frankly, a little boring. Women, like anyone, are drawn to excitement and mystery. Women are wired to be intrigued by the unknown, by the challenge. They are naturally curious and want to explore the depths of a person. They want a man who is confident enough to have his own life, his own opinions, his own boundaries. A man who is not afraid to stand his ground. This doesn't mean playing games or being manipulative. It's about being genuine and authentic in your interactions. It's about respecting yourself enough to know your worth. When you respect yourself, others will naturally follow suit. Don't be afraid to say no sometimes. Saying no can actually increase your value in her eyes. Don't be afraid to pursue your own interests. Having your own passions makes you more attractive and interesting. Don't be afraid to let her wonder about you, to miss your presence. Absence can make the heart grow fonder. This concept is about creating a healthy tension, a push and pull that keeps her engaged and wanting more. Remember, scarcity creates you. When you are not always available, your time becomes more precious. Make yourself a prize worth pursuing, and she'll rise to the challenge. Be the man who is worth her effort and attention. Now, this is where things get interesting. We're talking about playful contempt, a subtle art that can create massive attraction. But before you panic, understand this. It's not about being mean or disrespectful. It's about light-hearted teasing, playful banter, and a touch of confident arrogance. Think of it like a dance. You push, you pull, you create a playful tension that keeps her on her toes. Maybe you tease her about her taste in music, playfully challenge her opinions, or even pretend to forget something she told you. The key is to keep it light, fun, and never personal. You want to make her laugh, not cry. This contempt shows that you're not afraid to challenge her, that you're confident in yourself, and that you don't take life too seriously. It's about creating a dynamic, engaging interaction that keeps her coming back for more. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the foundation of all attraction: authenticity. All these contempts, all these techniques, they mean nothing if you're not genuine in your approach. Women have a sixth sense for inauthenticity. They can spot a fake from a mile away. So, the most important thing you can do is be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Don't try to impress her with a facade. Be genuine, be respectful, and show a genuine interest in her as a person. Listen to her, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Show her that you see her, that you value her thoughts and feelings. When you approach attraction from a place of authenticity and respect, you create a connection that is real, lasting, and ultimately irresistible. So there you have it, gentlemen. 5 contempts that can make her chase you madly. Remember, it's not about manipulation, but about self-improvement, confidence, and genuine connection. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of confident, authentic men who attract the relationships they desire. Until next time.